So, Alex, I've been doing this series on cutting boards, but you just dropped some knowledge on me that I wasn't aware of about glue.
I go through this gluing process every week at your stores, and we do end grain cutting boards. This being a long grain, this end grain tends to give and move a lot more than long grain will. So when I do end grain cutting boards, I like to use Titebond 2. I feel as though this is a softer material since it's a water resistant glue, not a waterproof glue, which has kind of a hard candy shell to keep that water from penetrating it. I mean, you know, yes, water resistant is more
Plenty.
than enough. You can scrub it, you can just don't let it soak or put it in the dishwasher, obviously. And the nice thing about Titebond 2, basically we're ready to work with it in about 30 minutes, whereas this is probably closer to an hour.
More time waiting around.
You know, a lot of people like to wait overnight. I'm not that patient.